Yes, yes, now see. Use the given digits to form smallest and greatest number possible. If you may repeat, then repeat. So then how to prepare, how to make a smaller number or greater number using the given digits. Here digits are given. Here we have to write 5-digit number, 5-digit greater number, 5-digit smaller number. Here we have to write 6-digit number, 6-digit greater number, 6-digit smaller number. Here in first case the digits are given 2, 7, 3, 8 and 4. These 5 digits were given. Using these 5 digits, so we have to make a 5-digit greatest number and smallest number, 6th digit greatest number and smallest number. Then how to write 5-digit smaller greatest number first? Here 2, 7, 3, 8, 4. In 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, first we have to take a bigger number. 5 digit, we have 5 digits. So we have to take a bigger digit, that is 8 is the bigger number. And little bit smaller number we have to take, that is 7. And little bit smaller number we have to take, that is 4. And after that smaller number 3. And after that smaller number 2. In this way we have to make greatest number using the digits, 5-digit number. Using all 5 digits, that is 87,432. In these given digits, first we have to take a bigger number and smaller than that and smaller than that and smaller than that and smaller than that. This is the way to prepare a greater number and smallest number. Smallest number in reverse order. We have to take in reverse order. So what we have to take first, we take smaller value, that is 2, and smaller than that 3, and smaller than that 4, and smaller than that 7, and smaller than that 8. This is the smallest value. In smallest value, we should take the given digits in ascending order in smallest one. In greatest one, the given digits we have taken descending order. This is in descending order given digits, these are in ascending order. Then you will get the numbers greater and smallest. But in 6-digit number, here we have only 5 digits. By using these 5 digits, we make up greatest value, 6-digit greatest value and 6-digit smallest value. For that, he has given, you may repeat. So if possible, if we require to repeat, then you repeat that value, repeat the digits. Then how? First here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits were there, but we have to make 6-digit number. For that first we have to take the greater value, greater number, that is 8. For a greater value we have to repeat greater number twice, 88. Then after that smaller than that 7. Then smaller than that 4. Then smaller than that 3. Then smaller than that 2. That is 8,87,432. For a greater 6-digit number, we have to take the greater number, greater numeral twice. Why? Because here is we require 6-digit number, but here given only 5 digits. So that is why we repeated greater value twice to prepare greater number. For smaller number, we start from 2. Here we have to repeat 2 twice. Smaller number, here we have to repeat smaller number twice. Here we have to repeat bigger number twice. And the same, the remaining values 3, 4, 7, 8, 8. Only 8. And one time 8. Then 2,23,475. This is the least value. This is the least means smallest value. In this way we arrange the greater 6-digit small digit number and 5 digits greatest and smallest numbers. The same way, here only 4 digits are given. So if 4 digits are given, we need 5 digit greatest number and smallest number. For that, first we have to take 5 digit bigger number 8. Here 5 digit we want, here 4 digits were there. This means 8 we have to repeat one more time. Then after that, similar, smaller than that is 5. Smaller than that 3. Smaller than that 2. Then 88,532. This is the 5 digit greatest value. When after repeating 8 twice. Nice friends. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits were given. Using these 4 digits we have to make 5 digit number that is smaller and also greater number we have to make. Then how to make? Here 1 digit is less, so that is why first we have to check which one is the greater value. 8 is the greatest value. So first we have to take 8. Here we need 5 digits. Here we have 4 digits. 1 digit is less, so that is why we have to take 8 one more time, because here the condition is given, if we require we may repeat also. So that is why bigger number we repeat twice. Then 8 2 times we repeated. Then after that smaller is 5 and smaller than this is 3 and smaller than this is 2. So using these digits we make 5 digit greatest number in this way. And in the similar smallest 5 digit number we have to make. Then how to make? First we have to take 2 smaller number. Here we have only 4 digits, we need 5 digits, so that is why smaller digit we repeat one more time. Then after that bigger than this number, that is 3, and after that bigger than this is 5 and bigger than this is 8. In this way we have to make smallest digit. So after this we need 6 digit number, that too greatest and smallest. Here we have only 4 digits, but we need 6 digits. More 2 digits we need. So then more 2 digits we need, that means we have to repeat. More 2 digits. Then first we have to take greater number, that is 8. Here more 2 digits we need, so that is why the greater number we have to repeat 2 times more, that is more 2 times we have to take 8. Then after that smaller than this, smaller than 8 is 5. Smaller than 5 is 3 and smaller than 3 is 2 given, that is 8,88,532. In the smallest 6 digit number, again we have to take the smaller number, that is 2, and here we need more 2 digits, so that is why smaller digit we have to repeat more 2 times. That is, we have to take 2 more times 2. Then after that, more than this is 3, more than this is 5, more than this is 8. Then commas, like this, we make comma, we make comma. So in this way, here remember, one more time I am explaining, then how to make greatest and smallest 5 digit number and 6 digit number. If number of digits are 5 and we are going to prepare 5 digits, then there is no problem. Then we have to arrange in ascending order, descending order. Ascending order we will get smallest and descending order we will get greatest. When if number of digits and preparing given digits and number of digits are same. If suppose number of digits are 5 and we need 6 digit number, then here 1 digit is less. Whenever 1 digit is less, then for greatest number we have to repeat greater number one more time, and in smallest number we have to repeat smaller number one more time. In the same way, if 4 digits are given and he is asking 5 digit greatest number and smallest number, in that case we repeat 8 greater number for greater number, we repeat greater number twice. In smaller case we repeat smaller number twice. In 6-digit number, here only 4 digits were there. The gap is 2 digits we have less. For that, we have to repeat greater number more 2 times in preparing greatest number. In preparing smallest number, we have to repeat smaller number twice. Then we will get smaller number and greater number. This is the method to prepare, to find, to write smaller number and greatest numbers. And in the second question, the question is see, again we have to prepare greatest number and smallest number. So in that, number of digits were not given. So it means by using all the digits, it means it is not here not given anything like 5 digits, like 6 digit, it is not given. It means by using all these digits. So this we have to remember. This is understood. So you understood the greatest number means how many digits were given. Using all the digits, you have to prepare greater number and you have to prepare smaller number. It is very easy one. How it is very easy? So for greater number, we have to arrange descending order. Descending order numbers means a decreasing order. Decreasing means first we have to take bigger one. In greatest, bigger one. First, smaller than this is 5, and smaller than this is 4, and smaller than this is 3, and smaller than this is 4. This is the greatest one, using all these digits. And for smallest, we have to arrange these digits in reverse order. Reverse order. First we have to take 1, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 9. This is 13,459. So this is in descending order, this is in ascending order. This is in this question. Here, for the greater number, we take the numbers in descending order. First, we have to take the greater one. The greater one among this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The greater is 8. Smaller than this is 7, and smaller than this is 3, and smaller than this is 2, and smaller than this is 87,320. This is the number, greater number. And for smaller number, by using all the digits, don't start your number from 0. I said here starts from 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. In this order we arranged. But here don't start from 0, 2, 3, 7, 8. First here 0 is there. Whenever 0 comes last, don't take 0 first. If you take 0 first, then you will get 4-digit number, not 5-digit number. So these things you have to remember. Don't forget, you understand the first. Whenever 0 comes first, don't start with 0. You start with second number, that is 2. You take 2 first, then after that you take 0. Then after that, this is in order, 3, 7, 8. Now we form 5-digit smaller number using this digit. If you took 0 first, then you will get 4-digit number. So it is not correct. So that is why whenever 0 comes in ones place, then start with your tens place, then after that ones place, then hundreds, thousand, 10,000. In that order you have to arrange. So remember, and these things you keep in your mind while you are writing smallest number. Then this is our concept. Then how to prepare using the digits, 5-digit number and 6-digit number, repeating the digits if the given digits were less. Then that concept we explained here, and here so and so numbers given. By using the numbers we have to we prepared the greatest number and smallest number. Now this is the concept, this concept is over. Now here round up the numbers to nearest to tens. Nearest to tens and nearest to hundreds, this what is nearest to tens and what is actually nearest hundreds, nearest thousand and nearest 10,000. This is the new concept. First all of you listen carefully. Then how to write nearest to tens and nearest hundreds. Now see here, For nearest tens, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Then you draw a line. This is the line. For nearest tens, we take these three digits. Here, 695, 695, 696, 697, 698, 699, 700. Here we will get 700. Then here 694, 693, 692, 691. Here 690, 690. So this 695 is exactly in the middle of 690 and 700. So then we consider this value nearest to tens. Then how to write? Then this thing we have to write as it is 3,26,000. This we have to remove and we have to take 700. 700. This is nearest tens. Nearest tens. For nearest tens, if we ask nearest tens, we take three digits. Ones, tens, 100. And if it is exactly in the middle, if the number is exactly middle to 690, 700 like that, then we consider 700. Then this thing we have to take as it is. This instead of 695 we have to take 700. Then in the same way, here 706 is there. 706 means you start from 700. Here 700, 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 709, 710. 710. 710. This is 706. This value is 706. This value represents 706. This value is near to 710. This is far. This is far. 706 is near to 710. So nearest tens, how can we make nearest tens? We take 65,000. Same. Instead of this 706, we have to take 710. 710. We have to take nearer value. Nearer value. This is far value. This is near to 706. So which one is nearest to tens? That value we have to take. So like this we have to adjust in tens. Here also 869. 869 is there. For this, whenever tens were there, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Nearest tens we consider three values. 869 means we start from 860. 860, 861, 862, 863, 864, 865, 866, 867, 868, 869, 869. This is 870, 870. Here 869 is near to this and far to this. Near to 870. 869 is near to 870 and far to 860. So this 9,14,000 we take as it is, and instead of 869 for nearest to 10, we make 870. 870. We round off nearest values. Nearest tens. 869. 69 nearest is 70, not 60. 60 and 70, nearest value is 70. That value we have to take. Then in this also, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Then nearest tens. Then how to make nearest 10? 394. 390. First you take 390. 390. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. 96, 96, 97, 98, 99, 400. This is 400. This is 394. 394 is nearest to 390, far to 400. So, how to make? So, 42,000 instead of 394, we have to take 390. 94 is near to 90, not 400. So, 394 is near to 90. So, whenever tens near to tens, so we have to check either it is near to left side or right side. According to that, we make nearest to 10 value. If suppose if it is in the middle, then we go for right side only, not 695. Here 5 is there, exactly this is in the middle. When the middle is given, then both the side are equal distance. Then we give preference to right side. Right side value we have to take. This is the remaining most questions were there for your practice purpose and in your textbook. So more 5 to 10 questions were there. That is your home assignment. Do your home assignment.